Hey guys, whoa! Finally, we made it to the last video. Congratulations. I would like to, behalf of all executive of EFA, would like to say thank you so much. Although I am not an executive, I am a volunteer just like you guys, and I think that EFA is such a valuable organization that you should be really proud that you're a part of it. And we would like to thank you so much.
Yes. And one last thing, the whole point of this video series is to train you as a teacher how to better engage students, how to teach a better lesson, and how to make it stick in their brains, as well as having fun at the same time. But you actually have to teach, so please sign up for lessons. And Hannah will tell you how to sign up for lessons.
Okay, so signing up for lessons is super important because that is how we give back to our community, and that's how we see the efforts flourish. So signing up is super important and it's really recommended. And yeah, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So hopefully you know our website is efaglobal.org. Write that down, go bookmark it, go on it right now. And then you want to go into the volunteers tab. So I'm in the volunteers tab right now and it is actually locked. So the password is educate everyone. And the two E's, educate and everyone, are capitalized. Go write that down right now and remember it. And then you're gonna see this page on the screen right now. So all you do is you press sign up now and it's going to take you into this beautiful sign up sheet that our logistics team made for us. And then at the bottom, you should be able to, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. It's loading. It's okay, Wi-Fi. Just give us a hot sec. Okay, there we go. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to see all of the lessons that you can sign up for. So the first page is instructions. If this is your first time signing up, please do read through. It does have some very important information, and it also has the class schedule. Please note that all these times are Pacific Standard Time. So if you're in California, this is your time. If you are anywhere else, do check the time change. So at the bottom, you can see a bar. You can see all of the available branches that we have. And let's say I want to teach Chongqing grade 4. I will click on it, and all you have to do is put in your name and you are signed up. So do remember that if you do sign up, you cannot cancel 2 days prior because that creates a lot of logistical problems for us. So if you do sign up, please double check that you are free, and we will see you during your lesson. So yeah, ask us if you have any questions.
All right. We really hope you sign up for a lesson. We know that you might have a lot of fears and worries going through your mind. We talked about them a bit in the first video, but all experts started out as amateurs. So just go for it. You guys got this. You guys have watched all their videos. And if you want to contact any of us, you're part of the EFA volunteers group chat in WeChat. Honestly, just like send us a message, add us, and we'll be glad to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to watch you teach. Bye, everyone.
Bye.